video.
Dig, Goku, dig.
Keep putting sand back there, and he'll keep doing it. Oh, great! We're training him how to dig. My yard's gonna be messed up now.
Yo, John, you just touched the Christian sand.
Ah, you destroyed it.
Oh, he destroyed everything.
Destroyed everything.
Goku, dig for your life, Goku. He's going to the Christian sand, John.
Ew.
He's going to the Christian sand.
Get that stinky steak away.
Keep putting it back in that hole.
Goku, hurry.
Oh man, that's where all the holes have been coming from. It's him. We caught him.
Get it, Goku.